Ni kigomano kiria kihariirio ni ngwataniro ya andiki a mohoro igikuruhania kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ya IEBC, wabici ya mwandikithia wa ciama na ruhonge rwa borithi, ndereti nene iri uria honge ici ciharĩirie kuramata githurano kia mweri wa kanana. Kuringana na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ya IEBC, kamiti ino iri mateti gutigirira ni yakinyaniria githurano kiri na uma na uigiriki hatari kwagarara kihoto kia muikia kura o wothe.
We are also training our staff on what is expected, including even the temporal staff we will be employing in terms of presiding officers, the clerks working at the polling stations. This we are keen to do. Ningi IEBC negwetete bata wa bunge gutigirira kamiti ino ni amukira kigina kiiganu gia gutabania ithurano. And you remember last week we also pitched our discussion around funding for elections with Parliament, and we are hopeful that we are going to get the balance of what we needed to plug in and to support our activities. Ona kuri uguo kamiti no negwetete uhotekeku wa mbeu njithi kugomera mihango ya githurano undu ria mbeu njithi magiritanitie na utongoria muru. Riu kamiti ino ikiambika kambeini cia guthomithia bata wa githurano. Because we have asked them, why are you not participating? They say we are not participating because we're busy looking for our livelihoods, looking for jobs, and looking for all that things that are paramount to their lives other than voting. So this has come through our engagement forums with the targeted populations. Na wabici ya mwandikithia wa ciama cia kiuteti niranire kwihariria kumohede ithurano cia wamurani wa ciama. Riu kamiti ino ikiuga gutire mukenyo kanyite itemi riri ati andikithitie ta mumemba wa kiama.
It is in law right now that all parties must get a certified list of membership before nominations, precisely 7 days before the date of nominations.
Naruo ruhonge rwa borithi nirwiraniire gutigirira ugitiri ni wakinyanirio icigo-ini ciothe bururi-ini. Riu ruhonge ruru rukihoya mbeu njithi kuregana na kuhuthika ni ateti gucungiriria ngui.
Young people in developed societies are an asset, but it has come to a point where our young people are viewed largely not as an asset as such, but as tools by certain sections of the society and as threat by yet another section of the society.
Kuringana na rugamiriri wa ngwataniro ya andiki a mohoro bururi-ini, hari bata andiki a mohoro gukana heo mweke wa kuruta wira wao na waragania undu uria ugateithiriria Kenya hari kurumanirira na uma na waragania.
You can actually report the results as they come in, but it is not your mandate to declare the winner. That is IEBC's mandate.
Hadini ya Kameme TV, letora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.